So how to use Zimtra? First of all, with Zimtra, you can choose two different trading softwares. First one is over here, JTrader Pro. Second one over here, Sterling. Both are very used, professional. They are simple to learn, so don't think that you really spend a lot of times. Three main things I will need on my trading software. This is DAS. The first thing will be my level 2. Now the market is closed, so you will see the daily price. Second is a daily chart with simply the candlestick pattern and the volume. Third one over here is my 5-minute chart. Some traders will prefer the 5 to the 1. I also prefer the 5. And we need only the volume and also the VWAP. Then I will have over here the position manager. In this case, what we have over here the symbol, the share size, the average cost, realized and realized. That's the most important thing. And then I need to have a scanner, which will tell me the highest or lowest or the biggest gainers or like the biggest volume trader for the day. And the short locate, in case you need to locate some hard to borrow stocks, especially in small cap land. How it works, I will put over here my stock, the number of share size that I want to locate, and I click over here inquire. So the locate will give me a fee, and then over here I will decide how many of these shares I can take or I want to take. I press the locate order, accept, and you will see over here how much I have of my how much borrows I took and also what I spent. Same thing happens on Sterling. So the first thing I want to have over here is my level 2 link to the chart. Even here, I prefer to have 5 minutes in daily. Then I have the trading position monitor. So you will see the symbol, position, last, position average price, and realize. I have over here my watch list, or I can have my scanner. If I want, for example, to add an extra symbol, I simply go over here, insert, put symbol, and then let's say BDRX, I can have it over here. Again, you won't see over here any prices because this is just like when the market is closed right now. Two major things are important. So having this kind of layout for me, so very important, the daily and the 5 minutes, the level 2, and also the trading monitor with a scanner or simply a watch list if you're like used to trade the same single stocks every single day. And then the also use of hotkeys. You can go over here on tools, on setups, hotkey script, and click on hotkey. What is a hotkey? Is simply a faster way to execute a trade. You can do that through a combination of keys on your keyboard, or simply have a software and hardware like a Stream Deck or Razer Tartarus or others, where you can connect the keyboard. So for example, a Control L will be, let's say, long 1000 shares on the ask. You can connect that to your Razer and maybe have only one button for that. It's just like a faster way when you are a day trader. Same thing you can do over here with Sterling. All right, so if you have any question, please reach out.